Hey guys, welcome to the channel That Glam Mom. If you are looking for elegant, classy, sophisticated jewelry, high quality jewelry in affordable price, then stay tuned with me and watch this video till the end. So today I'm talking about Italo jewelry and who is Italo jewelry? Italo jewelry guys is an awesome website where you can get beautiful sparkly blingy jewelry in affordable range. And you can get lots of variety. They have so many beautiful rings, wedding bands, cocktail rings, bracelets, neck pieces, so many things they have. And even I was very shocked when I was choosing the jewelry for me. Everything is affordable and incredible gorgeous. Basically the vision of Italo jewelry is to bring the customer for incredible gorgeous jewelry in affordable price. The pieces are not the real diamond of course, but they look like real diamond only. They are so beautiful, so classy, and no one can easily inspect them unless they are professional jeweler or something. And the jewels are very defined and look like real diamond only. They are providing international shipping and they are offering some free shipping as well. So it has 60 days return policy. You can check out the site of course. I put the link into my description box. You can go through with all the details.
So let's start the unboxing of the box.
This is the box with 2 Italo jewelry boxes as I ordered couple ring for my wedding anniversary. So they come in this beautiful cardboard box which is sturdy and good quality. They put their ribbon onto the box which is obviously elevate the box's packaging. It has a magnetic closure flap here. Inside once you open you will find the mesh jewelry pouch. You can store your jewelry here. And it has a silver polishing cloth to clean your pieces if you want. Also include a certificate of authenticity of the piece of the sterling silver. It has a warranty card here, so all information are here which is for you. With a care guide stuff include all the journal and common care of the stuff. This is the actual jewelry box which is beautiful with the satin coverage and it looks very classy. This is the first piece of silver sterling ring. This is a beautiful accent piece to pair with other jewelry. So blingy with white sapphire. It's so shiny, so pretty. The settings of the stone are so sweet, so neat. And this is side cut diamonds. It doesn't hurt you at all, so it looks like a high quality silver. This is another piece of the set in gold shade. It is equally beautiful, equally classy. Look at the shining of this ring. It has also the diamonds over there, that is side cut diamonds. It's so shiny and so pretty. The settings of the stone are so neat. So guys, I ordered my couple set ring in the month of February 2020, but initially they got late to process my rings due to some reason. And after that this COVID-19 came in the month of March, so eventually my order got late and I got it last month only, like in June 2020. So they sent me this beautiful prince cut diamond earring, for as a gesture because I got my parcel late. So these are also very beautiful, very shiny, very blingy, and I chose them to make a set with my earrings and ring, and these are very beautiful. So guys, these pieces are very elegant, very classy in affordable range, so every woman wants to get them in her wardrobe because they are not real one but next to the real one, and no one can tell you it's fake. So these pieces are perfect for gifts if you want to give someone who is close to you, someone special. So guys, share this video to every man in your life, whether he's your husband, boyfriend, father, brother, so they can buy a gift for you. These are not pricey at all but very elegant. So make sure you head down the description box to get all the details of Italo jewelry. I think I had covered everything of the Italo jewelry. If still you have any question, you can comment me down below, so I'll answer them. And yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe my channel with the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload the new video, and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.